What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. Oh, oh shit. Get a little nervous when that camera come on. But I'm back with a little video. I'm just chilling, just up in the morning time. Took my son to school, so I'm eating a little bit of pasta salad and some meatballs. I don't really know pancake breakfast like eggs and shit and stuff. But I guess I could cuss because I be hearing people say all kind of shit on YouTube. So yeah. But anyway, I'm just sitting here eating. I'm finna just talk to y'all, see what's going on, see what's see what's really popping, you feel me? And yes, I eat with my titties on the table. What's wrong with that? Yeah, but YouTube, what's going on? Yeah. Get a little talking with y'all. What's up? Cause I know y'all see a fat bitch eating the comment section go crazy. Like fat motherfuckers ain't supposed to eat. Y'all just put that fork the fuck down, you fat motherfucker. That shit be so funny. And me, I'm the kind of bitch that's gonna cut back. You feel me? Yeah. But this shit is good though. This some pasta salad with some I hope y'all can see this shit. Wait, hold on. Oh, that shit. Wait a minute. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Bob. That bitch fire. Oh shit. Let me get a napkin. Yeah. But anyhow, I'm just trying to see what's going on. See if I could gain me some subscribers, you know? My editing might not be on point, but shit. But y'all get the motherfucking picture. Y'all know what I'm here for. I see people on YouTube, they want you to pay them to show you how to edit. Alright, damn. You gotta pay for everything these days, don't you? Damn. I see no motherfucking somebody there ain't no helping hands no more. But yeah, y'all, what's up? What's going on? Y'all let nigga know something down in the comment section. You feel me? I ain't made a video in a minute. I gained me a couple of subscribers. Ooh. Y'all don't see that. But, yeah. I gained me a couple of subscribers. Oh. Yeah. But I just wanted to eat a little bit, talk. If y'all got time, you know, look at my little video, you know, subscribe to my channel. Y'all helping me along. Damn. What I gotta do? Put on a clown wig and a thong? Make y'all notice me? Yeah. Y'all know y'all like when fat motherfuckers on YouTube anyway, so y'all could call a bitch fat, and when the bitch start eating a chicken wing, come on now. Trying to entertain you motherfucker. But anyway, yeah. Y'all give me a little thumbs up or something like that. And I'll be back. Yes, I got on a headscarf. Yes, I got some hair. But it's cold outside and I don't like combing my hair anyway. Anywho, yeah. Let around and get no something, you know? And y'all like this video, so like it. Tell me what y'all want. I don't fuck with hot food, period. Don't even come with that bullshit. I don't fuck with hot food, okay? Don't. That shit go in hot and that motherfucker come out hot. I don't fuck with hot food. And the pranks, I probably got a few up my sleeve. But if I do something, I might have to whoop my son motherfucking ass. I don't know. He ain't good at. He a sore loser, so he ain't good at shit like that. And you know what I'm saying? I don't feel like making that bitch look like no raccoon. So I don't know about pranking nobody. But I'm gonna eat. I ain't finna be no motherfucking real fat ass greedy bitch and sitting on here trying to please y'all, giving myself no fucking heart attack, eating no fucking 75 chicken wings neither. But I'm gonna eat though. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna do it. Eat a little salad or something. I know y'all ain't used to no fat bitch eat no salad, but yeah. Anyway, it was nice talking to y'all, and I'll be back with another little video. Y'all better like it, cause I'm from the hood, where they up to no good. Okay, all right.